Hey everyone, welcome back to Tilster, where we help you unleash your potential. Today, I've got a great workout lined up for those of you looking for something beginner-friendly and low-impact. If you're just starting out or want to stay active without putting stress on your joints, this routine is perfect. So, let's get started and work through a full body workout that'll leave you feeling energized without the strain. Before we dive into the workout, it's essential to get our bodies warmed up. This will help prevent injuries and get our muscles ready to move. We'll do some gentle stretches and light movement to wake up the body. Arm circles 1 minute, large circles forward and backward to loosen up the shoulders. Hip circles 1 minute, hands on hips, rotating slowly in both directions to loosen the hip joints. Marching in place 2 minutes, lift your knees gently, swinging your arms to engage the whole body. Side to side step touches 2 minutes, step from side to side, lightly tapping your foot while reaching your arms overhead. Torso twists 1 minute, twist from side to side, keeping the movement gentle and smooth. Hamstring stretch 1 minute per side, extend one leg, lean forward slightly to stretch the hamstrings. Let's start with some upper body work. These exercises will strengthen your arms, chest, and shoulders without putting too much stress on your joints. Wall push-ups, 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Stand facing a wall, hands shoulder width apart. Slowly lower your chest toward the wall and push back to the starting position. This is a great alternative to regular push-ups and much gentler on the wrists. Seated shoulder press, with light weights or water bottles. 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Sit tall, hold your weights, and press them overhead, then slowly lower them back down. Lateral raises, with light weights, 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Hold your weights at your sides, and lift them to shoulder height. Keep the movement slow and controlled to avoid strain. Bicep curls, with light weights, 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Stand or sit, holding your weights. Slowly curl the weights up to your shoulders and lower back down. Now we're going to work on the legs and lower body. These low-impact movements will strengthen your glutes, thighs, and calves. Chair squats, 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Stand in front of a chair, lower your hips as if sitting down, and then stand back up. Keep your core tight and move slowly. Step-ups, using a low step or stair, 3 sets of 10-12 reps per leg. Step one foot onto the platform, then the other, and step back down. This exercise is great for strengthening the legs and improving balance. Glute bridges, 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Lie on your back, knees bent. Lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower slowly. Calf raises, 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Stand with feet hip width apart. Rise onto your toes, hold briefly, and lower down. This strengthens your calves and improves ankle stability. Next up, we'll work on core strength. A strong core is key for overall body stability, especially if you're just starting out with exercise. Modified plank, on knees, 3 sets of 20-30 seconds. Come onto your forearms and knees, keeping your back straight. Hold this position while tightening your core muscles. Bird dog, 3 sets of 10 reps per side. On hands and knees, extend one arm and the opposite leg. Hold for a second, then return to the start and switch sides. This is excellent for balance and core engagement. Seated knee tucks, 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Sit on the floor with your hands behind you for support. Bring your knees toward your chest, then extend your legs out without touching the floor. Side lying leg raises, 3 sets of 12 reps per side. Lie on your side with legs straight. Slowly lift the top leg, hold for a moment, then lower back down. To finish off, let's get our heart rates up with some gentle cardio. These low-impact moves are easy on the joints but still provide a great cardiovascular workout. Marching in place with high knees, 2 minutes. Keep your knees high and swing your arms for a full body cardio boost. Step touch with arm circles, 2 minutes. Step side to side while making large circles with your arms. This move works your upper and lower body together. Standing toe taps, 2 minutes. Reach one hand to the opposite foot in a controlled, rhythmic motion. This improves coordination and gets your heart pumping. Modified jumping jacks, step jacks, 2 minutes. Step one foot out to the side as you raise your arms overhead, then return to the center. No jumping necessary. Boxer shuffle, 2 minutes. Lightly bounce from foot to foot, keeping your fists in front of you as if you're shadow boxing. Great job. Let's cool down with some stretches to bring our heart rates back down and improve flexibility. Standing hamstring stretch, 30 seconds per leg. Quad stretch. Standing, 30 seconds per leg. Seated, forward fold 1 minute. Child's pose 1 minute. Cat-cow stretch 1 minute. Deep breathing 1-2 minutes. Asterisk. Breathe in deeply, hold, and exhale slowly. Focus on relaxing your muscles. That's it for today's low-impact full-body workout. I hope you're feeling strong and energized. Remember, consistency is key. These low-impact moves are gentle, but over time, they'll help you build a solid fitness foundation. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you'd like to see next. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.